Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to view your WhatsApp QR code. Whether you're looking to share your contact information or log into WhatsApp on another device, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Look for the familiar green icon with a white chat bubble and tap on it to launch the app. Once you're inside WhatsApp, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which represent the menu. Tap on those dots to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your WhatsApp account. At the top of the settings page, you'll notice your profile picture and name displayed. Right next to them, there's a small QR code icon. Tap on this icon, and voila! Your personal WhatsApp QR code will appear on the screen. This QR code is unique to your account and allows others to add you as a contact without needing to type in your phone number. You can also use it for logging into WhatsApp web or desktop, and there you have it. Viewing your WhatsApp QR code is as simple as opening the app, navigating through the menu, and tapping a few options. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.